welcome to this quick video to show you how to import PDF files and information into a Vectorworks drawing so that you can edit them and adjust them as needed. I'm starting off with a blank file here. I'm going to use a drag and drop to drag in a file, and it'll ask me how many pages I want to include and which pages. This is normally set to 1 and 1. I usually strip out the PDF file so there is only a single page to start with. You also want to set snap to geometry on. Click import and it will import the file. Now I've brought this file in to demonstrate that actually this is a PDF file that wasn't created digitally. So this will not allow you can interact with this PDF file, but it won't allow you to edit anything. You can't split it out into separate elements. So a useful tool to have. You can also set opacity and other bits and pieces with this file if you want to draw over the top. But generally not very helpful if you want to import a topological survey or an estate map or something along these lines. What you can do is if you've got a digital file, and I've got one here from National Grid, I'll do exactly the same process again. Because this file was created digitally, I can effectively import the elements, and the way to do that is to ungroup. So if you see in the object info palette, this says it's a PDF page at the moment. So if I do Control and U, it will ask me if I want to ungroup high level objects, which I do, and then it says I've got 3 objects now, so one of which there is the object, that's an image of the file that we imported. The second layer here is a blank page, and then the third layer is where our information is. So we can safely delete this bitmap image, we can safely delete this rectangle which was the bounds of the original drawing, and then we can select all of this and switch it to no fill, and all our information appears. We can then, you see it appears as a group. We then need to ungroup that as many times as we need until we get, in this drawing for instance, we've got 419 objects. So then we're quite safe to then delete all the bits that we don't need, and then you can continue interacting with your lines, boundaries. This is a boundary line and shows the field boundaries for a National Grid map, and other information, so you're ready to then use it. Unfortunately it won't put it into classes, but that's the only downfall as far as I can see. Anyway, hope this helps. I found this really useful on many occasions, so give it a try and let me know if you have any problems.